Node Air. Node Air is an autonomous integrated transportation system that is designed to provide a more efficient and sustainable way to move people and cargo in urban and suburban areas. The system consists of an electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft, a ground vehicle, CHASSIS, and a variety of pods that can be customized for different applications. The aircraft is a multi-purpose vehicle that can be flown autonomously or piloted. It has 8 propellers housed in for main decks, which allows it to hover, take off, and land. Vertically, the aircraft also has canard stub wings and a vertical stabilizer, which provide stability in flight. Volante Vision Concept. Volante Vision Concept is an autonomous hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing VTOL aircraft developed by Aston Martin. Is a 3C concept vehicle that is designed for urban and intercity air travel. The Volante Vision concept is powered by a combination of electric motors and a small gas turbine engine. The electric motors provide the power for vertical takeoff and landing as well as cruise flight at low speeds. The gas turbine engine is used to power the aircraft at higher speeds. The aircraft is 12 meters long and 8 meters wide. It has a maximum speed of 320 kilometers per hour. It is a stylish and luxurious aircraft that offers a comfortable and efficient way to travel. SkyDrive. SkyDrive flying taxis, which we often encounter in science fiction movies, are unfortunately not yet a part of our lives, or are they welcome to the era of flying cars. SkyDrive is the first company to showcase a successful test flight of a flying car. The manned aircraft managed to lift off a few meters from the ground during a test. SkyDrive, a drone and robotics startup, predicts that the car will enter our lives in 2023. The company stated in a press release in Tokyo that the first manned test flight was successful conduct and shared footage taken at their facility near the city of Toyota. The prototype of the single-seat flying vehicle, equipped with 4 sets of propellers, reached a height of approximately 2 meters. In a highly secured test area, the vehicle can fly for up to 10 minutes at average speeds, exhibiting a stability similar to unmanned aerial vehicles. Icon A5. Icon A5 is a 2-seat amphibious light sport aircraft LSA designed and produced by Icon Aircraft. It is marketed as a recreational aircraft that is easy to fly and safe. The A5 has a number of safety features, including a spin-resistant airframe, an aircraft parachute and angle of attack gauge, an auto-level button smart glide, and an optional autopilot. It is also equipped with a number of features that make it easy to fly, such as a glass cockpit with a heads-up display hood. The A5 is powered by a Rotax 912 IS engine that produces 100 horsepower. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 1510 pounds and a maximum speed of 109 miles per hour. The A5 has a range of 427 nautical miles with 45 minutes reserve fuel. Embraer. Embraer, an electric and zero-emission air transportation service. Embraer is expected to usher in a new era of shared air travel. The vehicle will perform vertical takeoffs from specially designed Embraer rooftops and transport passengers approximately 600 meters above ground at speeds of around 140 kilometers per hour. The 4-passenger electric vehicle is designed for air transportation. For vertical rotors mounted on the wings of these drone-like aircraft are used for vertical takeoff, and conventional takeoff landing. Forward thrust is generated by a single horizontal rotor mounted in front of the tail fin. The initial electric vehicles will be piloted, but Embraer ultimately aims to offer the service with self-piloting aircraft. The aircraft is expected to reach a cruising speed of around 140 kilometers per hour and features wings that facilitate horizontal movement and ascent in the future. it will transition to a fixed-wing configuration. The fixed-wing system is much more efficient and provides the electric aircraft with a range of approximately 95 kilometers per charge. Uber estimates that the average mission distance will be around 40 kilometers and with a 5-minute charge between flights. The aircraft will operate continuously for approximately 3 hours. Uber plans to initially launch the service in 3 cities, with Dallas and Los Angeles being the first. To select it, the final destination city has yet to be determined. The realization of the concept is expected by 2023. Embraer Pulse Concept. The Emperor Pulse concept is a futuristic vertical takeoff and landing VTOL aircraft designed by Embraer Design Ops to celebrate the company's 50th anniversary. The aircraft is envisioned as a luxury executive jet that could be used for both personal and business travel. The Pulse concept has a spacious cabin that can accommodate up to 5 passengers. The cabin is luxuriously appointed, with comfortable seats, a large glass window, and a private bathroom. The aircraft also features an autonomous ground vehicle that can be used to transport passengers to and from the aircraft. The Pulse concept is a blended wing-body aircraft with a twin-tilt rotor configuration. The rotors are mounted on the wings, which can rotate to allow the aircraft to take off and land vertically, or to fly like a conventional airplane. The aircraft is powered by electric motors, which are expected to be powered by solid-state batteries in the future. Lilium Jet. The Lilium Jet, developed by the German aviation company Lilium Jet, is an electric aircraft and the first of its kind. It recently underwent a flight test with a 5-seater Lilium Jet at an airport near Munich. However, according to the manufacturer's, production will also include a 7-seater version. The aircraft made its debut at the same airport in May 2019. By October 2019, it had completed 100 flights and reached speeds of over 100 kilometers per hour. The aircraft is capable of controlled air maneuvers, lateral transitions, rapid takeoffs and landings, and a 25-degree horizontal turn. Electric and flight control systems prevent electric fan and wing failures. However, on February 27, 2020, a fire during maintenance completely destroyed the first prototype. Fortunately, the second prototype, which was only halfway completed, remained undamaged after the second prototype was abandoned before completion work began on a 7-seater prototype. This Lilium Jet is designed to carry 1 pilot and 6 passengers. There are a total of 36 electric motors, 12 on each rear wing and 6 on the front wings. Additionally, there are 12 movable flaps located above the motors. The wings rotate downward for vertical takeoff, and as the aircraft transitions to a horizontal position, forward thrust is provided. It is said that this system is much more cost-effective than a standard helicopter rotor. Vision VTOL. Vision VTOL is a tilt-rotor electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL prototype. It is designed to be a single-seat aircraft with a range of up to 4 hours, depending on the battery technology used. The Vision VTOL uses 8 electric motors, 4 to turn 4 and aft sets of propellers, and for 2 tilt the rotor ducts from ascent and descent mode to flight mode. It has no control surfaces. The Vision VTOL is designed to be scalable and can be expanded for 4 and 6 passenger configurations. The team behind the Vision VTOL is working to increase battery technology with 30 times current density and storage life expectancy. This would permit a transcontinental range at high speeds. PAL V Liberty. The PAL V Liberty, the world's first commercially produced flying car, made its debut as a limited edition pioneer at the 2018 Geneva Motor Show. According to the Dutch manufacturer, PAL V Liberty represents a milestone in aviation and transportation history. while fully complying with existing laws. Only 90 units were produced of the Pioneer Edition, which features a two-tone color scheme, and an additional carbon body kit. The starting price for the Pioneer Edition is €499,000 excluding taxes. This price includes a range of personalization options and specific flight training sessions. Of the limited 90 units, 50 will be allocated to Europe following that PAL-V will commence transportation. Of the sport models, the Liberty sports a three-wheeled design and features a foldable helicopter rotor on its roof. It operates using a gyrocopter system and is powered by two engines. The dual propulsion system is supported by two Rotax engines, one for flying and the other for driving. The motorized propeller at the back generates thrust for driving, while the large unpowered rotor on top enables takeoff. According to PAL-V, the transition from driving to flying, or vice versa, takes approximately 5 to 10 minutes. The mast for the rotor opens automatically, but the driver needs to detach the tail section to prepare it for flight. It certainly looks like a cool vehicle. Kelekona aircraft. Kelekona Company is making an electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL minibus, which has one pilot and holds 40 passengers. The company has recruited a team of aerospace mechanical and electrical engineers with resumes featuring past work with organizations including Tesla, Hyperloop, Ford, General Motors, Motorola, DuPont, and NASA. The Kelekona aircraft has a non-traditional fuselage called a lifting body, which provides lift during forward flight. The fuselage is oblong-shaped that tapers at the rear. The VTOL and forward flight. The aircraft uses 8 tilting duct fans, has a range of 483 kilometers, a maximum payload is 4,536 kilograms, and has swappable battery packs. Jaguar Volante experimental helicopter. The Jaguar Volante experimental helicopter concept is a design study by Tommaso Master, a student at the Coventry University in the United Kingdom. It is a luxury helicopter that combines the sleek design of a Jaguar car with the functionality of a helicopter. The Volante has a sleek, aerodynamic body that is inspired by the Jaguar F-Type sports car. The cockpit is enclosed in a glass bubble that offers panoramic views. The interior is luxurious and spacious with seating for up to 4 passengers. The Volar Antelope is equipped with a variety of features that make it a safe and efficient helicopter. These features include a fly-by-wire system, a collision avoidance system, and a weather radar. Midnight 5-seat eVTOL. Midnight is a 5-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft under development by Embraer Aviation. It is designed to carry 4 passengers and 1 pilot for up to 60 miles at speeds of up to 241 kilometers per hour using today's battery technologies. The Midnight has a sleek modern design with a high main wing and a V-tail. It is powered by 12 electric propellers. The Midnight is designed to be safe, sustainable, and quiet. It has a number of safety features, including a redundant flight control system and a crash-resistant design. It is also designed to be very quiet with noise levels comparable to a car driving. Volar Antelope. The Volar Antelope is an electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft under development by Bellwether Industries, a London-based company. It is designed to be a personal air vehicle for urban transportation with a sleek aerodynamic design that resembles a supercar. The Volar Antelope is powered by 4 duct fans, each of which is driven by an electric motor. The fans are mounted in pods on the underside of the aircraft and they are hidden from view by the bodywork. The aircraft has a tandem-to-seat cabin, with the pilot sitting in the front and the passenger sitting behind. The Volar Antelope has a maximum speed of 180 miles per hour and a range of 100 miles. It can take off and land vertically, and it can also fly in forward flight. The aircraft is designed to be emissions-free and quiet, making it a potential solution for urban air mobility. STRATOSFERA VOLATILE. The STRATOSFERA VOLATILE is an electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL vehicle designed by the Italian design studio Lopserini Design. It is based on the same ultra-light carbon fiber sphere. STRATOSFERA VOLATILE can accommodate up to 2 passengers and has a top speed of 250 km per hour. It is powered by 4 double rotors, each of which is powered by a dual electric engine. The batteries provide a cruising range of 1 hour at maximum speed. The STRATOSFERA VOLATILE is still in the concept stage and has not yet been built. However, Lopserini Design has said that they are working on a prototype and hope to bring it to market in the near future. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.